Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another amazing AOC monitor, and this one is from the AGON Pro series, and this one have a lot of things to offer. The model number of this is AG456UCZD. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside the box. Okay, so first of all, you have to turn it around to open it. It says open from this side. Let's open this. So as usual, all the instructions are available on the box also, so you might need some help because it's a very big monitor. We need to use this two plastics on the top which it comes with, and we just pull it up. So let's do that part. Okay, so we bring this out. Of course, we need some help for that. So first of all, we have a box, AGON Pro box. You'll be able to see all the things inside. So first thing first, what we have the Type-C to Type-C cable, display cable, HDMI, power cable, of course, a lot of other things. So this one have the screwdriver, then we have the instruction and user manual and all that inside. Then we have the USB-B cable, and then we have the remote control. If you guys remember from my videos last time, I love the monitors which they come with the remote control. Of course, we had the arm of this monitor. It's a big monitor, so the arm also looks very cool and quite interesting as well. Very solid arm. And then after the arm, we have the stand for this. Wow, it looks like a very big and very nice stand, which is good because this is a big monitor. And then at the end, we have the wall mount. That's what the screws for. Moving forward, the main thing, which is our monitor. Oh, wow. This one is the 800R curve. This is a very sexy looking curve monitor. So first of all, what you need to do, you keep it inside the box and then you install your arm first before you taking it out. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna install this arm. You just put just like that, and then you have two screws and a very cute little mini screwdriver comes with it. Okay, so first screw goes here just like that. Second screw goes here as well. So simple. Okay, so once you are fully secured with this side of the arm, and then you can apply the base or install the base just like that, and we are good to go. That's how the base goes in. So let's set this up and put it on the test and talk about all its crazy features. All right guys, so you guys can see this one is all set up, and believe me, it looks amazing. This curve, this screen, this size, everything about it is perfect. Not even the front, even the back, it looks amazing. And we have set up everything. We will be flying some planes on it as well, and we will be doing some driving because this one gives you a very immersive experience when you are playing all the simulation games, also even the FPS games. So you can be covered with this screen, fully focused on what you are doing, not just the games, even for the productivity and other work as well. So let's talk about its features. This 45-inch ultra-wide monitor boasts a stunning 3440 by 1440 wide quad HD resolution with a 21:9 aspect ratio. The curved 800R OLED anti-glare panel ensure immersive viewing angles and a wraparound effect, keeping users immersed, making it perfect for both gaming and productivity purposes. It also has a console compatibility of 2560 by 1440 at 120Hz refresh rate. This monitor is every sim racer and flight sim pilot's dream. The adjustable stand can be adjusted up to a height of 100mm, a swivel of -15 degrees to 15 degrees, and a tilt of -5 degrees to 15 degrees. In terms of performance, this monitor features a blistering 240Hz refresh rate and less than 1 millisecond, which is 0.03 millisecond grade-to-grade response time. This means buttery smooth gameplay and ultra-responsive movements essential for competitive gaming. It supports HDR10, which helps deliver a rich palette of colors, brightness and contrast, on top of the Delta E less than 2 color accuracy and sRGB 100% color gamut that this monitor provides. The adaptive sync technology also helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, providing for a better gaming experience. If you are someone that works on multiple devices at once, this monitor offers a KVM switch, allowing you to switch between your PC or your laptop seamlessly, sharing a single mouse, keyboard and monitor across two devices. Here I have connected my laptop via USB-C to the monitor and the KVM works seamlessly. And with the picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture mode, you can view everything you need on a single monitor, perfect for productivity. This monitor offers a few game modes such as RTS, FPS, Racing, Gamer 1 and Gamer 2, each offering different kinds of performance to suit the games you are playing. And if you are an FPS player, this monitor has a built-in crosshair feature that you can use to better enhance your games. It also has an inbuilt speaker with the power of 8W times 2. And if you are a fan of RGB lighting, the AOC Light FX offers an immersive experience by emitting ambient light during gameplay. Choose from 14 default modes or customize the lights to your own liking. It can even pulse colors along to music. It offers multiple ports including HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C which have power delivery up to 90 watts and 4 USB 3.2 ports. Whew. Alright guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm taking my jet from Singapore to all the way to LA. And I kind of lost in between. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to know more about this amazing monitor, I'll be dropping all the links in the description, or you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply all your inquiries. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. See you in LA.